What's one thing that most engineers lack when starting out? I think usually it's confidence, and confidence in not only their ability, like am I good enough, but confidence in their taste. This is something I learned from Fab Dupont. He's always talking about knowing your tastes, what you like as an engineer, what kind of sounds you like. I think that is very important for engineers to discover, because so often when you're starting out, if you're in YouTube University, you're looking for how to get a kick drum to sound good. You're asking questions that are like that, like what's a good kick, how do you get a kick drum to sound good? Where a more experienced engineer would ask you, well, what kind of kick drum sounds do you like? And the newer engineer is like, well, what do you mean? Isn't there just like, just tell me how to get a good, what EQ curve do I need to get a good kick drum sound? And I think there's actually more freedom in being able to have the confidence to say, I like kick drums that sound real fat and round, or I like kick drums that have a lot of beater in them, or I like vocals that are very sparse and dry, or I like vocals that are very ethereal and delayed and reverbed out, or I like real organic sounding mixes, or I like real digital sounding mixes or processed. Like, it's okay to disagree with another mixer's decisions or tastes, and I think you will be more valuable in the marketplace and more valuable to your clients if you can discover and develop your own taste of what you like and what's your sound, so they kind of know what they're getting and it's kind of your unique sauce. So I think that's what most people are lacking, and that's what I would encourage most engineers to do, is not only learn how to do the craft well, but then quickly move from doing it well to what is it that you like and how would you describe your style, and own that a little bit. Have the guts to own that. And like I was joking here on Pro Studio Live that I'm horrible at reverb. I hate reverb. So guess what? Most of my mixes don't have a lot of reverb. This is not my deal. So if you want a real wet, ethereal song, I'm probably not the guy to mix it for you, because I'm not going to bring in a lot of reverb. It's just not my thing. I can try it, I'm just not good at it. So maybe you can teach me how to do reverb well, but that's not my thing. I like drier vocals, or like a little bit of delay on the vocals, like slaps or delays where the vocal's still dry, but then you can have some controlled ambience. And I like really loud kick and snare, and it's always driving, and sometimes it's too much for certain songs, but that's just kind of what I do. So own your style, own your tastes. I think you'll have more fun, and then you'll probably stand out a little bit better in the marketplace.